Hi, parents. Mrs. Bell and Mrs. Chamberlain here. We just wanted to share a few quick, helpful tools to prepare your student for their upcoming RISE science test.
So first, we just wanted to go ahead and go over a few things that would be helpful for your student to look at home. So the first thing your student is going to want to do is go to the Bell Bulletin or bellbulletin.weebly.com. There is a helpful link on the Indian Hills website if you'll go to faculty directory, and then it will direct you towards the Miss Bell's website, and you can get to the Bell Bulletin, or you can simply just type it up in your browser. Now, from here, you are going to want your student to click on Science. When you get to Science, there is a whole section located down at the very bottom of the screen. Now, they can watch any of those awesome videos and helpful tools that might help them, but when you get down to the bottom of the screen, there will be a section that says End of Year Review. Now, my screen won't allow me to glance all the way down at oh, there we go, I got to move it around. You can see that says End of Year Review, what the RISE question sampler, RISE at a glance. Now this is a helpful file that gives you lots of important notes over the different sections that we talked about in 4th grade this year. This is a fun PowerPoint that has over 100 questions that your student can study, so take 10 questions a night and you'll be done in no time at all. But if you click on the RISE sampler, this is actually a super helpful section that your students can go to, and it will take you to a page that's actually by the state questioner. So you can go to the sampler, and when you go into the sampler, you will want to select our grade. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select science, and it'll say 4th, 5th. So we'll have some topics on it that will be 5th grade, but it gives your student an idea of what the interface will look like, and they can start test. Again, this is not their test that they take this year. This is just a sampler that gives you an idea of what their test looks like. It is the exact same interface, so it's just helpful to see what your student is going through. And I'll ask them some questions and you'll get to practice going over the test with them. If you'll just take a few minutes to do that with your student, it would be super helpful. Head back over to the Bell Bulletin and play any fun games that your student might be interested in, and just check out and review some science objectives. Ms. Chamberlain and I really appreciate you working with your student to help them have a successful 4th grade year. Thank you. Bye.